are Kevin and Taylor from Mathers on the Map, and welcome to our next van build episode.
Today we are installing this ladder on the side of our van, on the driver's side, and this is from Aluminess, and we are super stoked.
Here goes nothing.
Alright, so in terms of everything you need, it's really quite simple. With the Aluminess roof rack, you get these pieces included, or these parts included, and this is the bracket that's going to be on the bottom of the ladder connected to the van, and all of these are 1/4 inch bolts and washers and nuts. You get 6 in total 1/4 inch, and then you have your L brackets that go into the OEM roof rails on top of your van that just slide right in, and then you tighten it down. And then you're gonna have to drill a hole into these L brackets, and then you have 2 1/2 inch bolts, nuts, and washers, which is what you're gonna connect the ladder to. In terms of sockets, you just need a 7/16 and a 1/2 inch, and then you also get some anti-seize here. And then from a drill bit, you'll need a 5/16 drill bit. And then coming over to the ladder itself, this is what the bottom of it looks like, and the top. Oh, and he already scratched it. Has these holes here.
Seriously?
Alright, so we're going to have our solar panels on this side in the front of our max air fan. So we're going to be placing our ladder right in line with our max air fan, which is a little bit in front of the window. Taylor is sliding the L brackets in place to exactly where we want it, which is lined up directly to this line here. So now we're going to C-clamp this in place and then determine the best location to screw it down. So this is our bracket to our solar panel roof rack, so we just lined it up, make sure that this is in a good position. Alright, so we got the C-clamp on here. Now we're going to C-clamp the other side to make sure it's lined up, and then we're going to stick a marker through to determine our drill hole. And Taylor's just putting this up, and basically we're trying to get a smooth edge from the top here, or as smooth as you can get. It's kind of on an angle. Alright, so now I got my 5/16 drill bit, and we're going to drill the hole. At least mark it. Alright, now we got the 1/2 inch getting tightened down. Like, this is pretty snug. Alright, so this is pretty much done. Now we need to put the bracket on the underneath of the van to secure it to the bottom. And we'll need a 7/16 inch socket because we're going to be using 1/4 inch bolts. Bracket goes connected to the welding pinch right down here. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now I'm going to stick a bolt through. That one went on fine.
I need it like this.
Alright, so now I'm just putting anti-seize on these bolts, especially because these are going to be underneath the vehicle and getting salt from the road and all that nasty stuff. So you don't want these to seize. All right, we got all 3 bolts tightened down here. Now the last piece is just to install 2 nuts and washers right here, and we will be ready to go. And we gotta tighten it down. All right, and now we are just putting on these washers here.
There they are, 2 bolts in place.
Okay. So can you put some downward pressure onto the ladder? Just
Downward?
Like, yeah. Like if you're putting weight on it. All right, so this is the correct placement. So now we're just tightening it down to 10 pounds of torque. I don't have a torque bit wrench, so I'm just gonna tighten it down with this small little guy. All right, so this is what the ladder looks like with it fully installed. I'll take a step back, and we have it back positioned closer to the tire because our solar panel roof rack is going to be taking up the top area. And this is what it looks like. You have the bracket underneath, which is attached to the pinched welding part of the bottom of the van, and then on top it's on the roof rails, but it looks really good. Taylor, you want to do the honors?
First one up it?
Yeah. Nice and tight?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop.
Looks awesome. Alright guys, so that wraps up this van build episode installing the Aluminess ladder on the side of our van, on the driver's side. It was relatively easy, probably the quickest van project that we did so far. Only about, what, 2 hours max?
Yeah, probably. I mean, Kevin looked into it beforehand for a while, so I mean the prep was probably an hour itself.
Yeah, there's pretty informative instructions by Aluminess, and definitely you want to look them over before you install it. But overall, pretty easy. We love how it turned out. It looks super cool. And stealth camping is pretty much out the window now, but it was already out the window with these anyway. But if you have any questions, let us know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more van build episodes, then
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next van build episode. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.